Hi friends, every tip I'm going to give you has been tested in the shop where I'm at, so don't worry. This is fixable. If your Mazda shows the DSC off message, don't panic. Your car hasn't gone crazy. It's just telling you that the dynamic stability control, the system that prevents skidding or losing traction, is off or detected a possible error. The first thing to check is something many people forget. The DSC button. Yep, the same one you can press when you're stuck in snow or mud. If you pressed it by accident, the warning is normal and will disappear the next time you start the car. Many mechanics suggest confirming this before panicking. If you're sure you didn't turn it off, there's a quick trick some use. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and then all the way to the left while the car is on. This helps the steering sensors recalibrate, and in many cases, the warning goes away without needing a shop. Yes, it seems like magic, but it works more often than you'd think. Now, if the warning persists, it's time to consider dirty or weak sensors. Many mechanics report that dirt, mud, or moisture around sensors, like wheel speed or steering angle sensors, can cause DSC to turn off automatically. Cleaning these areas sometimes solves the problem without spending a dime. If the message still appears after that, it's probably time for a scan with a Mazda-specific OBD2 tool. That way you can see which sensor or module is causing the issue. Some mechanics found that a faulty wheel or angle sensor was triggering the error, and replacing it fixed everything. Others had to update the DSC and ABS module software at the dealership to clear erratic codes.